Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a sticker sheet in Canva as like a little mock-up. I'm going to show you how to make it look like they're stickers, and all you need is Canva. All I did was bring in a mint green background color, extended it across the whole background just so that you could see it better. And then I have a couple designs from my clothing, my merchandise that I sell, and I'm going to put those on there, turn them into a little sticker sheet. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in my first design. I'm going to put it in the top left-ish here. That looks good. And then I'm going to grab in another design. Pop it right here. And my final one, I want this one to be a little bit bigger for the stickers. Just like that. And then how you're going to add this glow for these mock-ups is you're going to go in, click edit. You're going to go down to effects where it says shadows. Right here where it says shadows. You're going to click on shadows. You're going to click on glow. And it's going to be a black sort of glow. You're going to want to go down here and click the color, turn it to white, turn the intensity all the way up to 100, and the blur to 0. And that's going to give you that sticker effect. So now I'm going to go ahead and do this to all of my designs here. Intensity 100, blur 0. Glow, white. Intensity 100, blur 0. And now it looks like they are stickers. So here's a nice little mock-up for you for your brand or whatever you need.